mykrowavetv.
The Peter again is supposed to big so. The birth certificate, birth registry, that alone for big. Peter again name big out in everything. All the Peter get big so for true. You're not supposed to big so for true, guys. I tell you when the panny big.
Mama show you how I know say them are idiot. Watch ya. Look right there, so Mama zoom up this and show you. You see, yes, so I said name of
Don't
child.
take it off. Don't take it off. Let me show them the other one.
This is a specimen, so. You see, yes, so I said name of child. They mark out yes, so. They mark out this. Look here.
Don't take it down. Don't take it down. Show it back. Show it back. Show it back.
Hold on.
Where they? Yeah.
All right. Name of child. Right? Name of child is supposed to be right there, so. Look on Peter again, name of child. Go over there, so. You so far, Peter again, name there? You see which part name of child there? Them mark out there, so. Look right there, so. It mark out. It too far, though. You understand what I say?
Right.
Yes. So, you see name of child? The person name is there, you know. But they mark out that and put Peter again name up down there, so on the bottom part, near to nurse. Which part the nurse name would have normally there? And this so them put it.
Oh, see, them put it right there, so the nurse there.
Yes,
Nurse
so you,
and
normally you see name of child, yeah, them put it too far.
Jesus Christ, yeah.
Yes.
Then wicked.
Them put it too far. Yes, them put it too far.
What in nurse the pan for your one there, so?
Yes, it said Nurse Williams right there, so father. But listen up, what if this was a real birth paper, the 3 stars supposed to be end of your name. Look on that one day. Show it on the screen.
Oh, see the 3 star right there far.
Alright, you see it? No, your sister, the birth paper fake.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, it edit. I see it long time. It a edit birth paper. So your sister, them mark out the name?
Check the mother name. The mother name no did it. They mark out everything you saw.
Guys, it's not about any name. Y'all should look at the top. Who don't have a birth paper. Everybody who have a birth paper, go in on the house and take out to the birth paper and look. Your 3 name, your name, and the 3 star there at the end. Peter gave name the way down here so with no fucking star. Which part your blood clot name there? Your name's supposed to be under your birth paper. Under your birthday. See there? Date of birth, number 5. Name of child, number 7. Una idiot. Stop going like no sense, no dog. The 3 stars supposed to be where your name is. Look on your birth paper.
Yeah, because look here. Look here now, the date of birth supposed to be there, so. The name here when name Peter gets supposed to be there, so them black out the name and put the see. And that them, you know.
Them don't correct it properly because if them a try, them should have marked out the star. The star should have marked out. And the font on the name too large. You understand now,
so,
Destiny?
look here now, yeah. Maybe the full name is go down to the star, you know. So they mark out the whole of yes, so and put the Peter again right yes, so. You
right.
That them do, you know.
That them do.
Christ.
And them not put the star. The supposed to, okay then. So you see when me attack, the ball is too big. It's different. This birth paper is not real. I know it from last night say it not real.
Maybe somebody birth paper this, you know, and them when them do is them mark out of car. Where they mark out for?
Listen now. Me done pick it up from last. Everything what them Sky Dan, liar, Macy. Me tell you no anything wanna come with me, I go find out. Me tell you no. Me a bumbo clad. Me
Look
come
on
like
Shay,
a
look on
PI.
number 7, guys. Look on number 7. Look on Shay look on a birth certificate, the number 7. You see?
Your name support them mark out, but
They mark
Destiny.
out the name and put it where down as a car. Where they do is, you know.
Destiny. We not have to look pan that,
They
you
no
know.
mark
You see
out with the green something, you know. Hold on, no. They no mark it out with the green something, you know. Them use the same color as the birth certificate.
Listen now, guys.
Yeah.
You see the star you saw? Look on the bird paper. That 3 star after there we end our name for your bird paper.
Go and go look on the birth paper
That
now.
3 star not there. Your bird paper not legit. Anybody will have bird paper, that 3 star right there, so it legit. You have to have that. All of we born a Jamaican have bird paper. You have look on the bird paper in the house and you say, this no blood clot legit.
Or them say can be AI birth paper and have to be real birth paper. Oh,
Exactly, it's not real. It's not real.
See there? The star, no, they had the name star down here, so. Down where the nurse. Then a nurse, this, you say nurse Andy, so. No, name not supposed to be close to nurse Andy, so yes, so.
No.
That is a no. Can you see right this up on the birth paper, she said, with Nurse Williams, they're so clear. They're so, you're so supposed to be clear. You see, you can't look, no name, no supposed, this not supposed to be so.
Hold on. Mama see the nurse where you have right there, so. You have nurse and this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nurse and this father. Peter gay name, they too far to the nurse. And the 3 star is at the top. The star supposed to be our end our name.
No, they no mark out the Peter Gay last name. They mark out somebody's name and put Peter Gay.
They mark out them edit the name. The person name up at the top, there's a name of child. That person name is gone. And then put the Peter Gay on the bottom part near Nurse Williams.
Jesus Christ. Alright, alias we mad 16. What did it say? 16 age off. You can't see this good.
Which part you reach? One number. Tell me the number.
Yeah, so right over the side. Go way over the side.
Alright, 16. You reach at 16. Age of birth.
Age of birth. Why them, what is age of birth? Why them black out this? You
see? Age at time of birth.
Them black out this.
12, 14, 15, 16. Hold on.
It is over the end. Go way over the end. Right down there, so we say 20.
Alright, yes sir, yeah. Age at time of birth. 29. It them black out that, but Destiny will not look on that. We're talking about the top part. Yes sir, you can see says a edit bird paper. The font, the Peter gave on it, the font is too big. The bold, they use a rank cool number. Anybody have a bird paper supposed to know? All of we have bird paper. It's wrong, it's not right. It's an edit bird paper.
I go on my bird paper because I have my one too from Jamaica. Well, I find it. Yeah.
Everything want to do me a ketchup pound. Everything want to do me ketchup pound.
All the names so big.
Everything want to do me ketchup pound. Don't post nothing to make me catch that. Don't post nothing to make me catch that. Everything want to catch up. My blood clot to do pound. Everything.
Jesus.
Wanna too lie. Every time when you come, me catch up pound. Wanna too lie, man. No.
Mighty God.
Shay, watch my comments. Say it again, Mrs. Warner. Nothing can hide from me. I catch everything. What the fuck?
And not even the gender, they not put pan the same block. Me don't know a gender there. You know, see them put it pan in either.
Alright, show me. Well, let me see. Use the number to look up a who. Yeah, I do it already, Mrs. Warner. Me do it already. Them report destiny, sexual suggest, whatever. Put up your phone in your face.
I must say my breast, I go come back. I go end.
Yeah. Guys, as when me I tell you, bro, listen. The bird paper it wrong. It's edit. Me check it a long time. Me check everything. But what me do? Them forgot to mark out the issue. The issue date right here, so have a lot to do with it. Well on. Them edit everything. Everything get edit on it. Yeah, bro. Me coulda add you.
What?
There, man.
That little thing they done with her is still a one.
You know, so them come with the next edit bird paper. Me find out say the bird paper not real.
Is it bird paper? I don't understand. Oh,
Alright, look on this now. Cause everybody now really catch it. Power bird paper, name of child right this, alright?
yeah.
Normally we name the right this, but everyone now we have a bird paper with the name end with a 3 star.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah,
Look, more you look on now when you so you can understand what me I say because me see everything, not no miss me no. Listen. You see right here, sir? Name of child, the Peter gate they too far. And look here, them left out the 3 star up at the top part, yes, so you know say somebody bird paper this. You understand what me I say, Flex?
Yeah, so you said they get too many bird paper.
They edit it. Them edit the bird paper. Flex, jump. Me so add you back. Give me 1 minute.
All right.
Look, girl. This is one I go find for Google. Look.
Okay.
I just for true. See there? Right here, so.
Okay then.
Jesus Christ. Say me find a different
Yeah,
one.
them forgot to edit the 3 star. The 3 star was because they alright, they mark out the person name you saw and left the 3 star up at the top where the name there.
Remember, they don't know, say.
Them not know, you know.
Remember, they don't know to catch it.
Them not expect the media to catch it. Them cannot expect me not to catch it. Cause remember me different from the media. The media thinks that it's real while I check out everything. So baby, them expect say the media to catch it, but them never know say. Remember them know say me scoop out everything, you know. Cause you can't fucking trick me. Oh. Trick the media, you can't trick me. Them alright, Destiny, look. Them edit out the person name and left the 3 star, but them not understand.
Right.
Say, all our bird paper, our last name have a 3 star at the end.
Jesus.
So them get fucked. You understand? So when the person says, Shay, are you alone can see if that bird paper is real or true? From me look on it, me see the 3 star gone. Them left it up at the top part, which part the person name is. The 3 star is in the right line, with the name of child there, and them edit out and put Peter Gay name down here so. And first of all, the Peter Gay, the font, the bold font is too big. The font alone make you get fucked. It's too big. It's too big.
Because when you look on the bird paper,
you just see the name. Just the Peter Gay right.
that don't make no sense.
Them no know say it no make no sense. No print boo, nobody on TikTok can trick me. None of them.
Jesus Christ.
None of them can trick me. Them trick the media catch them. Me no rampant me. Everyone that we in our house can check with bird paper. What are we bird paper have a 3 star our end our name? So whosoever do this, forgot to put the 3 star the end our name. So you get fuck. So Sky, our liar, Rosalie, Dan, Macy, you don't want to get fuck. It done. You done with this Jabass thing now. It done. Me keep on a show no up. It done. It done. You can't done now.
Why me feel they want to show your one?
Me expect better from you always.
Sexy Keisha.
Give up, man. It done, man. Done now.
You see this?
Call me on Insta. Anybody want to show for them on just call me on Instagram.
It done, man. Give
Your
up
one,
now,
if your
man.
one look like that, we share a show. Phone one look like that, we share a show. No, call me on Instagram. Sexy Keisha. Jesus Christ.
Me done check out this long time.
Unu call me on Instagram. Call me and share it on a 3-way car. So call me on Instagram and me show no.
Them said the birth papers was supposed to verify that Peter Gay is real. Right? That's what them say. Guys, remember, everybody name spelled different. Me name Sade. My name spelled with a S-H-A-D-E-Y.
Guys, call me on Instagram. This
Everybody has name spelling S-H-A-D-A-Y, D-A-E. We can't go talk about the name spelling. The name spelling is not the problem. We're talking about the 3 star at the end of our name.
call me on Instagram. Anybody who have the same birth, different, anybody have the birth campaign. So come to the Jamaica, you know.
Right, everybody Sade spell different. So we're not going to talk about the spelling. It's just the 3 star at the end of our name me a talk about.
Let me make one show you. Can share something.
The 3 star and the font where the Peter Gay writing. See it? The 3 star and the font where the Peter Gay writing. That make the birth paper get fuck. I'm not pointing out the name of the spelling. That's not the problem. It's just that all them left out to 3 star, the St. Elizabeth lean. Watch out the St. Elizabeth all spell wrong. Me bumbo blood clot. Them get fuck.
It's supposed to spell
Them get fuck. 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 See there? The St. Elizabeth all spell wrong. Watch there. Them get fuck. Watch out. St. Elizabeth. They wanna get fuck, man. Fuck. This can't work. Wanna get fuck, man. Fuck. Wanna done now. Sky and liar done. Jesus, man. Wanna not tired for get you up. Done now, man. It done, man. Done now. Wanna gone too far and this a edit bird pay. Listen, I just done here, bro. This not make no sense. 1990. A Sky do this. A Sky make that bird paper, yeah. She can't spell it now. A Sky make that bird paper, yeah, cause she dance.
Blind Barty must can't see if you verify.
I'm sure we no bird paper. Call the lady with call me on Instagram.
Una done now, man. You come like una just fuck up your whole entire plan.
You're not supposed to say St. Elizabeth, guys. You're not supposed to say the ST. I don't say you have to put it. You're not supposed to say that. The ST not supposed to be there. And that you man try to tell you, ST not supposed to be there.
And it's that
Listen now,
too big.
the font big, the 3 star big.
The ST not be there. See there, SAIN. T.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody who live a sentence but can tell you, I saw if it today. It's ST not for today.
Mama ask you something. Before, Mama ask the people them in
the ST not for today.
The people them in my life and destiny life. Before I bring up all of this and show on everything. One of the beliefs the Peter Gay bird paper real, right?
Send my one because
One of the beliefs that the bird paper real?
Hey.
Destiny, my one have on a tree that my one not stay so. I can send my one because my bird paper don't stay like the girl one.
Okay. Send it to me, make me see it. I could show them. You saw they wicked? Evil?
No, just be honest. You see like how Annette Facey say she did believe that the bird paper real. Just be honest.
Bumbo clock, see it ya? Put it up, girl, Shay. See, somebody send me fear one day, see it ya? Look, girl. See it there?
Yeah, you have to have the 3-star in our name. Come on, bro. Everybody know this. See it there? Afi.
Zoom me down, look a bit, Shay. Zoom me down, me then see it, look a bit. Zoom me down.
All
me
right.
see how far it is.
See my friend send me fear one day. See it there? You wanna get fucked, bro. Just
What a
don't
Peter
see
gay
that.
one of this. This is how you look.
The 3-star after there we end our name. That for sure you say legit.
For sure you say so Jamaican bird paper stay. Once you're born in Jamaica,
I saw we bird pay the 3-star after there our last name.
See there, see, look, she zoom me down there, see there? See the 3-star there, there, so?
Yes. It have to be destiny. Them fucked up this shit. Wanna fuck up the whole plan. Fucking idiot. Watch there.
Thank
Look
you so
at
much,
all the
Missy. Thank you
sister
so much,
bird
baby.
paper, the same thing. Everybody bird paper. Just go in on the house and look on the bird paper. The whole of our bird paper have the 3-star the end our name. Have to.
Move it.
It affy. I say you know say legit.
True.
Stop the fuckery, dog. Gonna too fuck up. Gonna lies. Gonna tell too much lie, man. Every time one of go come and say, me catch the bait again.
Yeah.
And that's what I gonna say no. Everybody has sent me them bird paper. Me see it, me see it, me see it. Me see it. Me see it, my sister, me see it. The
You
fuck?
saw them blood clot wicked.
All
You
of
saw
the
them
bird paper.
wicked.
Everybody
You saw
who
them
they are
blood
them
clot
house.
wicked.
Just looking on the house, take out on the bird paper and look on it. The 3-star after there we name.
Long time said this year, girl, we come, we talk over their man.
3-star after there we name. Pineapple, it doesn't matter what your bird paper say. That's not the problem. I wasn't pointing out that. I don't care about one ban, whatever. I'm talking about the 3-star. This is what I'm talking about. Looking at your house, take out your bird paper, pineapple. Look at your bird paper, the 3-star after their last name. Your name Peter Gay Smith. Smith of 3-star, the end of Smith. Your last name, your bird paper. Everybody start bird paper supposed to have the 3-star, the last name they saw. As your last name,
But you can't find my one, you know.
3-star.
You have your bird paper? Yeah. Video call and show me where they show me some upon it. Want to say it? Yeah. You don't have it now? Yeah, me can't. You have mother figure find mine. No, but mine there. Me video call you. Let me sip on it.
I think mine. Oh, let's think so. Ali, take the key out your mouth. Oh, so long. There's here so long. Watch out now, maybe I call me now too.
Hang her up. I want to see the bird paper quick.
Hold on, no. So much. Malik! A problem you want to put me in a little bit?
Talk, Shay, talk. You can't talk me. I turn on your phone,
Put the
talk.
key in your mouth like that, man.
Guys, it doesn't matter. Destiny, them I report you. Guys, it no matter the issue date. At the end of the day, no for our bird paper can get lost, and we can get to our next one. So it don't really matter. I'm just a point out something to you for sure to say. Them people are fake, and them lie, and them wicked. The issue, it just no matter. People can't last them birth paper and need one next one. And you know, every time we last a birth paper and need a next one, the issue date up the saga come out, say, we take out the birth paper, this and that, and te. That's not the problem. The problem is, we're not talking about the serial number or whatever. The birth paper is not real. It's not real. At the end of the day, the St. Elizabeth spell wrong. One, first of all, our next business. Why Peter Gaze down here? It's supposed to be the name of the child. The 3 star, the end, our last name right there. So them forgot to put the 3 star, the end part. Are you crazy?
Too much life it tell.
Too much light there right there, so now on the eyes. The first, the font. The font where the Peter Gay writing, it's not real, it's fraud. Don't you all can see that this bird paper is edit? See it there? It's an edit bird paper. Edit, because guess what? You see the part where say name of child? Them take out that part there, right? Them cover that screen there, do what them. I don't know how them do it, but whatever them do right there, so. Them left the 3 star, them cover everything and not cover the 3 star. If I was Una, I would put the Peter Gay up here, so name of child, with the last name and put the 3 star at the end of the name. Are you dumb? Yeah, Tashiti, you say if you hear you out. Hear you out, say what? Me I hear you out. Our name spelling is not the problem, Tiana. All our name spell different. All our name spell different. All our name not spell Peter Gay, whatever. All our name spell different.
Sometimes PN liquor, your mother just writes.
All our name spell different.
Maybe if your mother just don't just write Peter and then spelling no matter.
The spelling no matter, guys. It should say whatever, health center, not maternity. Oh, all right, so too. You see it? What if a problem we are fine? Place of birth.
Take it off. That wrong Shay. One girl then come out. So one girl come on TikTok and paper.
Place of birth. Okay.
But, you see OST, sis? It depend. May I show you OST? May I send you a picture of OST? Look OST.
This is my new one, mother though.
Look how, alright, this. The Peter Gay is far from the no star in the close to it and the far. What you look? You see the one in the circle on the green so on the circle on?
Hold on.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You see saying alright? You see say edit fake? You know the close up? You know the close up touch part later?
No, but even the words them pan it not for you. The way all them do. Hold on. They look different from mine because it started higher.
I look what they spell is St. Elizabeth.
Okay, me don't talk. Okay.
Let me see how them say St. Catherine, hold on. If them spell it. I'm going to see because I St. Catherine, hold on, they have mine. Yeah.
The parents name them mark out everything.
No, you know, St. Catherine.
Guys, they mark out everything on the paper. There's nothing there. They mark out everything on it. There's nothing there. This is just total wrong bang. You can't see phone the same no matter. You focus on the wrong. That's not the message what me are sending now. Una focus on mother name, issue date, this, that, and that you know for talk about. I want something me a show no.
Everybody birth paper. Alright, then later. I'm gonna call you later. Keisha say
Now focus on that. No matter where the mother name or where the mother no name.
I'm my sister on the phone. Yeah. You hear my sister say Shay?
Yeah, me hear her. Alright, guys, Mama show you something now. Wait. Destiny, me I show you something. Me go put up the form where you can write everything, right? So the form template here where you can write everything on it.
See there? It starts supposed to be close. See there? And look how long the birth paper you say Shay, 1990. So I know you see? You see how long the birth certificate is 1990? It's so long? And it starts supposed to be beside that name. You see, guys?
Template. Hold on. This is the form. You can actually do it for yourself. You see, Destiny?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a form. You can do it for yourself. You can put your own name, whatever the nurse be. You can do this for yourself. So it's at that them do it. This is a form. Wanna see it, guys? See it there. You can do your own. Name of child, C line 26. Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Yeah, it's just that, you know, it's supposed to be health center. The star signify the father's last name match should be 3 by father name 2. Exactly. Right.
You saw them wicked?
Right. All right. Guys, this is just a tempo me a show now. But this is the one what we get from Lioness page. That a liar them friend page. Blind Bartimaeus page, right? See it here. This is where Lioness post claim to say is Peter Gay bird paper. Alright, Destiny, first of all, Mama show you what's supposed to have. Mama go for the specimen one. Wait. Alright. Look here, so. You see what we name and surname? Don't you so say look for number 15. You see the 3 star again?
Yeah, right side that one.
Alright, look for number 19. Darty Matthews. You see the 3 star again?
19.
Right.
Yeah.
So you see every time a name go up on the paper, 3 star. Look on the witness.
Look right
here.
now, so it's a Smith.
Yeah,
3 star,
witness.
yeah.
Witness Trevor Smith. 3 star again. You see? Alright.
Right there, so look right over there, so you see the star again with the name there. James Lee that?
James Lee, right. This is the father.
You saw them wicked?
This is the father of the remember this is a specimen, guys. So this is like if the father name the pan 3 star, your mother name 3 star at the end. So everything supposed to have the 3 star legit. Our name. Even our name. Look on the name of the child. The name of the child is Marcus Augustus Williams. Right? With a 3 star at the end. So each time I name them on the bird paper, 3 star at the end. 3 star, nil. 3 star, nil. Look on the bird paper here where them put up now, say a Peter Gay bird.
But look here now, Shay. Maybe some of the bird paper, you know, and they mark it out.
No,
look, you know.
But me tell you that already.
Hold on, but look here now, and they mark it out, you know, and put it, look here. The 3 star, they right here, saw the name, so. Look, you see?
Yeah, but
they mark out.
They mark it out.
But why this a 3 star that we up here, so that means they mark out this somebody name and put the Peter Gay right here, so. You see?
Right, exactly.
There?
Alright,
but if you look on the bird paper, you can see, say, look, mark out, look on the side there.
Well,
keep go over your real one, Shay. Show for your next one, we that show before.
Alright, wait.
Skip go over. Look there. Look all over them right. What they all are they writing? Oh, we not see that nothing here, so.
Because the bird in a real.
You see all them wicked? Oh, we not see no writing, so nothing at all. See that? No writing, nothing. Look, you see? Jesus Christ.
All right, all the way, hold on, look for Michelle bird paper. We know so what bird paper come do and stamp and seal up at the top part this. So
Hey, go back down that bird paper there. Go back down. Way down. Go over look a bit.
Over here,
like
so?
so.
Oh, over here, so?
Look down here, so. Some star. You see the star right down there, so look here. Nothing down here, so.
Yeah, normally it's supposed to, all right. Don't it's supposed to have nil.
No, down the girl.
It have a seal. Hold on. Give me. Let me see Michelle bird paper. Michelle, send me back your bird paper for a minute.
Dirty girl, what you mean the father name on the bird paper? So you don't see that girl?
Hold on, no, me I look on it properly. Tell her to send me back.
Hold on, me show you. If father name the bird paper, either girl, me go show you, me go prove it to you.
Talk about the rat and that. You know, say some of them people in there coming. Me not like all no so dance. And that me a talk about.
Yeah, but them still now no sense man name the bird paper too. The black coat.
I do not miss the point. Stop act like you don't have no sense in the you not miss the point. That's not the point.
If the father never signed the bird paper, see there? Father. See the father name here? The woman named Lion King, she black out the father name. So what you mean by father? See there? Father this so. The father name is right here. They black out everything. What you mean father don't sign no bird paper? Girl, it's so dunce. Hey, what do you mean by that?
Listen, uno go on over liar, no? Uno go on over liar, please. Yeah, go on. Go on over liar, please, Anton.
Explain so much is not full of people them. Not full of people them have sense.
And go on over liar, please, Anton.
We come from over so we see the truth, but them still have to question everything.
Go on over liar.
Them have their birth certificate right side of them.
Go on over liar, because the people them on the live have them birth paper right beside of them. And them are look and the people them are type and say, yes, Shay, a true ya talk.
Come from man, the one them where all when the truth I lick them in them face, them still have say, but
my sister me call her while ago, my sister show me. Much will take the point of them and show me.
Come from. They have to question, you can't know for them people, you know. All the truth have killed them.
All right, Destiny, hold on. Me I look for my friend bird paper. Wait, let me show you something. All of the bird paper start come seal now. Me I gonna show you something, right? Me I take off this and me I gonna show you. Me I take off that green screen and show you. So you see up on the side there, so you see issue date?
No, take off, you know, come off.
No, me look on that one here for you. See, say no,
we can't see not what all. It's the bird paper still up there.
No, look on the bird paper me still have up now. You see, say nothing there right there, so.
Yeah, nothing there, so yeah.
All right, then me gonna take it off now and show you. Look here, so. You see it? All of the bird paper come seal. You see it?
Oh, that with the stamp you talk.
Okay, then me don't talk.
Jesus Christ.
Me don't talk. Me don't talk. Me don't talk. Hold this baby.
No stamp, no day.
Me don't talk.
We cannot add you. If you want to come on the fucking live, you call me on fucking Instagram. You don't hear me and share it on live, but me go add you. I no box this. Come on Instagram, video come on Instagram and show me.
Me don't talk. All of the bird people come with that stamp and I see. Me don't
video
talk.
Call me on Instagram and show me, girl. You don't say share on my live and me on my live. We can't add you. Video call me on Instagram.
Me don't talk too, no. Me don't. Una fraud. Me don't. Macy and blood clot liar and Sky and Dan and Rosalie the whole on our fraud. Una fraud. Police will lock up on the blood clot.
Where the sign and stamp there?
Una fraud.
Yeah, them say it after have the stamp.
Una wicked. Una make too much mistake I'm keep on a catch up on uno. Done now. Uno can't done.
Case closed. You see
The
them?
case closed, it done. Uno can't stop now, it done. The case done and it closed. There's no such Peter Gay. Nobody by the name of Peter Gay. Nothing at all.
Over there, Father.
One I go come with next. And every time you come with a screenshot or something, I catch you know. Go sit down, man.
Your birth certificate if you have stamp. My sister just show me any stars supposed to be close up.
Uno done now, now wicked. Them some me I wanna do no for stop. I be a wickedness to not do. A sky make that bird paper, yeah.
You know if you make it.
Normally, power bird paper, it says C line 26. All right, I'm going to go to 26, line 26.
Girl, let me call up on Instagram.
So line 26, yeah, you know, wait. Go to line 20. Line 26 always have one name down there.
No, I get her.
When you're supposed to be at the line 26. At 26, yes, 26. See line 26.
See.
Look past C line. Look past. All right, mama. Look past 24. Town and village nil. Parish Saint Elizabeth. 23. Sir, go on, where you gonna leave me alone? Sure. Me not asking Jabass if no police call him last night. Go and ask him.
The police don't call nobody a bumbo clot.
The fuck you not gonna ask him? One holy pan nil pan this blood clad paper, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it after have the stamp, the whole of our bird paper come past my bird paper. My bird paper and all that.
Right now under the stamp pad with the star. The 3 star them. Show me your own baby.
Star and the stamp.
Hold on the Shay. Shay, hold on. Where this see look, show me the name. No, show me the name where the star there. The name up at the top of the star there. Zoom out bit. Yeah. The name up at the top of the star there.
It not have no name, it only says C line 26.
Because
So where the name there?
No, Amalia one that your name you come down at the bottom and see line 26.
Alright, make we see the name down at the bottom. See the name down at the bottom of the star.
all right then. Mama see the stamping at the last part of your bird paper up at the top. To your what? Your
You have a
left?
stamp up at the top? Over the other side.
No, the other side.
Yes, he stamp here.
Over the
I
other
eat
side.
that.
I eat that?
No, not stamp, not the over other side.
Over
Upon
that
the
side,
yeah,
yeah.
upon the side there, yeah, over there so.
Over this, so go over this, so. The other side, so. Hold on, Chinasi. Me that side here. Yeah. That?
Okay then, it's stamp. It's a stamp, right?
If it says line 26, I don't say any of it.
Over here somewhere stamp. The over
The
that
seal, the seal, yeah, up there so.
side. Stamp to the front.
Okay.
On the right hand side. When the original bird paper, it's stamped on the right hand side. Now I look at it. Right.
Yeah.
So when I fake, okay. All right, thanks, yeah?
All right then.
All right.
Cool.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, them people are, hey.
No, sir.
Paper, mama say something. All right. Stillborn said Neil, right? Age and time of birth. Mama see what them do with that. They mark it out.
Oh, see, hold on. Me see it now.
They mark it out. Resident, town and village. number of children born to the mother, be alive, nil. What is name and surname? Name and surname supposed to be a mother name down here, so maiden name nil, occupation nil, bumbleclad. All right. My name, they write us up on my son birth paper against her. 2 times my name they on my son birth paper. Him father name and him real name. So okay. So
Yeah. See stamp yeah.
yes, that me attack, the seal.
See the name I know.
Yeah.
Zoom up come on nobody. See the name at this side of the star. You see it?
Right.
There? And the star there so. No name no name no fina no Miguel. You have to supposed to clear.
All right.
Yeah, then wicked.
Name of child should say seal and 20. No name should be.
We get it already, guys. We get it. You know, see, I like them.
Cute and girly. But my son name there. No.
Your name over the right.
Number 7 say name of child. My son name the right so with the 3 star.
Yeah,
my son name the pan female with the 3 star. Name of child, my son name is there. The occupation is nil. Look on WhatsApp. Alright, look here, I'm gonna show you so them people are real idiot. You see which part it say number 21 residents and they mark it out.
And it look like it look a little bit blurry too.
Yeah,
So
you see town and village supposed to say St. Elizabeth again. And the parish supposed to be St. Elizabeth.
You see the updated one too? There's an updated one.
You're damn wicked.
The stamp. Because you see like a few more updated and still.
Yeah.
So, you see?
Yeah, I updated one that. Yeah, so my son won't look.
Them start put the name. You see like all I say C-line 26, them cut out that.
Them cut out the C-line 26.
And put at line 26 them start put nil.
Alright. Cause see my son one, yeah. My son one, they far from the wait name the destiny. Far from the him name, they far from the nurse. Look at 20 Shay. Qualification. Hey, listen to me now. Hey, look what Hey! Bombo clad! Qualification kill me! Put back that, put it back. Put it back, I can't buy that. The qualification.
You saw them wicked?
Qualification is mother.
Yeah, mother and father for the
Occupation, the occupation is nil. Alright, Destiny, look here now. Look how that nilia different from that nilia. You
Where
see?
the nil there?
Look on that nilia and that the nil supposed to be common NIL, you know. Them put capital NIL. Watch idiot them, watch ya. Look on the occupation right there, so Destiny. Look on the nil and the nil. You see the 2 different nil?
You know.
You know, alright, look on it. Look at number 17.
Number 17, yeah.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
the 2 different nil them.
2 different nil. Me just say,
Okay
mighty God.
then, thank you.
This a nil a biggie.
Mama see my one. Look on line 24.
The nil not supposed to big, so can see me I look on some of the nil here now and the nil not big.
Mommy, I look on my son nil. Wait no.
We say them people are wicked and find everything in our world. Jesus Christ.
My son won't update. This my son birth paper is an updated birth paper. So me can't go use this. Me have to go use somebody who have a birth paper like this. The people that have a birth paper, okay, me get a birth paper like this, so me can't try look on it properly. Me can't go use the updated. The people them who have the birth paper, my son birth certificate, are the updated one. It have a circle round like. You don't know that one there? Oh, mama say, yeah, my son birth paper, the updated. It have a half a circle with some with a pink hold on. Yeah, my son birth paper have a little circle like with a little pinkish, a little sky blue, and the stamp there on the left now. That my son updated birth paper. So the people who are pinning now, maybe that birth paper you don't have what me I talk about, right? Yeah, but you see the old birth paper people them have that
Your
one.
birth paper is not capital at the end, at a different.
Yeah, you have two different birth paper destiny. Well, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take off this. It have a you see that circle I go around so? These are the new birth paper. With a little pink in it. That is a new one. But me I talk about the people them who have that long time one. These are the long time birth paper, you know. Them
Somebody. Oh, it's fake, then Google it. It's fake, man, a fake birth paper. I that in we talk about. When the time of that, all you see the blood clot evidence and proof, I know say a lot of people might tell you still now blood clot.
hold on, them say for check 24. 19 of June 2000. What is it? What if I said date?
The girl was said.
Bumbo clot. Look at them make a mistake again. Look at baby. We ain't no destiny. They make a mistake again. Them say them born December 1999, right?
Yeah.
All right, you see down here, so what it said date? It said 19 of June 2006.
Jesus Christ.
So they make a mistake again. This is another mistake to blood clot where them should have right.
Mighty God.
All right, look. Mama tell you what should have did a fucking idiot to hold on the bill. No blood clot sense. You see, if you're born the 6th of November 1999, line 24 supposed to say, like, all right, so on birth paper, yeah, the 6th, what is the 6th of November 1989. And the birth paper, yeah, say the 28th of November 1989. So they make a mistake up here, so with it, you're supposed to be like what? Couple days after you get the birth paper. I say go, guys. Yeah. So they make a mistake at line 24, yeah, so. All right, see my friend birth paper, yeah. She up on her birth paper said date of birth, the 6th of November 1989. And our birth paper down here so say date, line 24, the 28th of November 1989. Written in words. So what them do down here, so? Them say them born 1990, them say Peter gave born 1999, no so?
They must say 24 a line of date of. Hold on.
At the date when you register. Is
but she registered in 20.
Right. If she born 1999. So you register. We are June the 6th, the 19th, 2006. With the bomb blood clot. You don't understand what me I said to you, no? You born 1999. So when the fuck you register? June the 19th, 2006? How what heap of years that after you register? So Sky, wanna get fucked again. It's
destiny. It could make no sense. That
Destiny
means she not go to school then. She not go to school then.
it should have been the same year.
That's 7 years later.
7 years later before she register.
No, sir. People can't wicked so.
The issue date, April the 1st, 2014. Come we check back when was April the 1st. This wrong too, you know. But me just show you how them people are lie. Hold on.
You know, matter even 7 years, 7 years, that means you not go to school from there. You not go to school for your band then.
Everything just get fucked. April the Fool, and that yes. Hey, Destiny. Hey, the people are lying, a dog. Them people, hey, you know wicked, so bro. We don't want to bring down people and not to be a wickedness, dog. Hold on.
Somebody who have the same year birth paper who born 1999, text it on Instagram.
All right. Me get a next birth paper. Somebody born the 12th of July, 1977. And them register the 19th of August, 1977. You see it? It's either 1 month or so. You hear again, Destiny? This is July then 12. 1977 at the same year. And the person register August the 19th. 1977. July, August. You see,
somebody said that means that she not got doctor from Shiban. Me nah laugh. That means that she not sick then.
I'm not sick. Oh, them create birth paper create 7 years after Shaban.
Right.
Because
the only way it take. But the father signed the birth certificate and I see the father name up at top this, so but them block it out.
It's not about the father. This don't read them people at Destiny. They're mad. We can't bother with them. And the ear we are talking about.
And the name with the star.
And the name of the 3 star.
Look on everybody birth paper and the name of the 3 star there, so. Look how
but me just tell them to look on them own bird paper.
All bird paper, new bird paper have the 3 star.
Look on the bird paper.
The 3 stars supposed to they no matter if nobody come from country, the 3 stars supposed to they write on your name.
It doesn't matter where you come from.
Jamaica, whether it was old or new, the new bird paper them have the 3 star. So why the old one is not have it?
And that me I say, no. The new one have it and the old one have it.
Yeah, the 3 star. This to make a distinct yes. This is a Jamaican bird paper.
See the 3 star there, the 3 star there way down here so them say female.
Alright, my friend send me fear bird paper. You see
and look on the name, the name the way down here so. Where the name if they write so, them block it out.
And alright.
Send me back your one.
If she register after 2006, it's supposed to have this, don't you so? You have one look at something. Mama see me can show the comment section. Hold on, Mama show you something chat. For sure, you say on a line a whole heap of different ways. The story them does not add up. For instance, Destiny, if you register after 2006, you're supposed to have this right here, so.
Mm-hmm.
You see what me I show no?
Oh, yes, somebody send me that. No line, no did they suffer true. See there.
You see what me I show no?
No did they suffer any bird people them put up.
Okay, this. Okay then, thank you.
Jesus Christ, mighty God, them people need to go to prison.
Prison the whole honor for government for fraud. Fraud. Fraud.
But it look all blurry, that means you can't say, if all this not look right.
Wanna forgot prison for fraud. Them some me I wanna do. Fraud, man. The fuck?
You see all up at the top here? No stamp no up there.
Nothing no there. No registration.
What number? The number they
not
panning
here.
in the
Guys, Them mark out the registration number. Remember me a blood clot. Remember me fast, you know. Them now go make me get no registration number, nothing, because from me done look up and dig up, me go know who for birth paper this. So them now go blood clot make me see no registration number. Them covered, see there. It cover, it's just the issue date alone there. The 1st of April 2004. Them now go make me see them they sit there.
So she born 1999 and she get her birth paper. When she born 1999?
And the birth she registered 19 of June 2006.
And she get her blood clot birth paper 2014? Issue date or what? Issue date now when you get your birth paper?
The issue date, it can be, yeah, it can be anytime. Maybe a birth paper last. We're not gonna really look on the part because it can be like your birth paper last. Look back feet or you apply back feet or whatever. But it's just that where you put your name and which part. If you're born 1999, or you registered in 19 of June 2006.
Jesus Christ.
Exactly, Natalie. Your mother born 1952 and she have the 3-star her name. It doesn't matter which year you're born. You have the 3-star. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you're born. You have to have the 3-star. And if your grandmother born 1907, 1927, the 3-star is always at your grandmother last name. It no matter.
You have them distinct mark on them something. So all this.
It no matter.
They take up the birth paper.
Them wicked man.
You're supposed to say, okay, this is a Jamaican birth.
Yeah,
the 3-star everywhere on the name. Everybody show them birth paper on the 3-star.
Everybody give show me them birth paper already. Me see the whole of the people. All people. Me see all and new
And
birth
sister.
paper. People are send me them birth paper and show me the all and new birth paper.
The stars and the name not supposed to them know when I go name supposed to the side of number 7 where say
Name of child.
name of child. And when the name they say star supposed to be close to it, not even far from it.
And it not right so. Can't write so big and old no. Remember government that some phone can big and some small.
See it there? See there, see 3 that there? See there? Name of child, see there right there, so? And the 3 that there, so wait 3 that are over here, so 3 that not supposed to be here, so. Look which part the Peter again name there, right down here, so. You know, show say Peter get 18 now.
Them say she born 1999.
So the date of birthday.
Up on the top part, up me so.
Them black it out.
Wait.
Yes, I saw them wicked.
See it ya. Them say she born December 1999, right? But them mark out like the day. But it just said December 1999. Look how far Peter get there from the name of child. Nurse Anderson they down here so. Alright, them said we said name and surname right there so. None of them must mark it out because they just want to mark out. You see down here so the date 19 of June 2006. Date added nil. Signed by signature. Alright, hold on. Deidre English Goose. Let me see that something here. Deidre English Goose. Somebody send me them. Hold on, I'm looking on the bird paper. Deidre English Goose. Alright, somebody send me them old bird paper. Look on the bird paper, yeah, it old. And the bird paper, yeah, it have the 3 star at the end. Right. Right.
It's not wicked. That's kind of wicked.
See, the person named Gardner, them have the 3 star at the end.
I don't know why it's kind of stop them something. I should have known not to do them something. Yeah.
Alright then.
That's why whoever they catch. Yes, he said she must give up.
Let me look for that blood. You see that name here down here, so? That Deidre English Goose here? Make me look for this. The number is not there, guys. There's no number there. The hospital name all wrong. Even this wrong. See there? All the hospital name get fucked. So you make whole heap of mistake. You not take time, man. Dirty stinking sky. You not take time. You not take time, sky. You are lie. You not take time. You do not take time, man. Two fuck dons. One. I know say it's not lie. I do this. A sky do the bird paper, yeah. Cause sky are the duncest one in the crew. Sky is the duncest one in the crew. Alright, I'm gonna look for your nurse. Me just do our next bird paper. The next bird paper supposed to say, for instance, the nurse name, Nurse Janet Anderson. It's supposed to have Nurse J. Anderson. This just have Nurse Anderson. Go suck out to them. I don't take people for blood clot idiot, you know. You don't want to take people for idiot, do you? So me never know said Nurse Anderson not the father. Eh, so good girl. No one not do, you know. You know say a be the headed girl and don't see. That is Sky. Say people tell me say. Peter get father named Nurse Anderson.
Yeah. Nurse Anderson come forward.
Hey, listen to me, the man. Listen to me. Me blood clot. All right, nurse. You see the which part father there? That not for the right there, so destiny. That not for the right there, so. Voila, me I see one. Voila, me I look for the
Why
first.
Lion King put that over this, so?
Me I look for the old bird paper. Wait. Well on.
Tell them to crop out everything and come with the bird paper like this. Remove the green mark, them and come with it like this. I see that page Jenny and Lion. Now I fuck her up, you know. Watch, man. I did Ivan the matter with I know. And she class Ivan. That's why she take liar said. Watch me and her.
Destiny. You know real. But tell you say fake long time. Well, I'm gonna see something. Alright, wait.
Jesus Christ. I tell you. What a condition. Jesus Christ.
Alright, look. Look pan center, maternity center, that spell wrong. Sky on a lose. Come on, man. You too dunce, man. Center. Not even center on you can't spell. Bumbo clap, man. No, man. Do better than this, man. Not even center on the can spell. Anyways, the hospital don't name so. Hold on. The hospital don't name so. It's not so the hospital name anyways. The hospital don't name so. Google the hospital where them say place of birth. It don't name so. It no name so.
It's name. But normally, Pete, you know, say Pete again, each up.
Two ways. But everybody know. We Jamaicans, everybody know. Our government, they use the British spelling. Everybody know that. So many know when I come 2 ways center can spell. Everybody know that. But everybody knows so our spelling is the British way. We don't know that. Anyone go. We don't know that. So we come 2 way. We know say the British spelling we use.
The place of birth is correct. It's not correct. Them say don't name maternity. 1999 and it name maternity. Anybody come from St. Elizabeth? Is this the correct name for the hospital?
Eldersley. Unless the person born in Eldersley.
No hospital, no name so.
No.
It's a health center.
Somewhere named Eldersley.
It's a clinic. Yeah. Rasclat.
Somewhere named Eldersley.
It's a Black River Hospital, Shay. It's a health center. But for really, I have to ask Jabass what this. I have to ask Jabass if one hospital name so. Cause come like everybody come from one.
No hospital. Must be one health center in Eldersley.
No hospital no name so in St. Elizabeth.
Health center, I Google it already.
Yeah.
Is a health center?
Mm-hmm. Sit here.
Oh, so it's not a hospital where you give birth?
Nah.
Oh, it's a health center.
Santa Cruz Health Center. So health center, she birth the baby. Them birth her. Half the health center come in hospital.
Oh.
But me never know say Pinny can birth her else. No hospital Pinny birth. That's weird.
But you can't, them have, yeah, I can't bother.
That's weird.
I don't know about it because they work at the health center. I think they work at the health center. Where the people can't have baby anyway. So low that part.
Oh, them say you can't have baby anyway? Okay.
So low that part, which part, the place of birth. Low that part. So only some others that part. Because not cover everything. No, I'm not going over, they don't screw enough.
You can't worry yourself because Sky soon come put out your blood clot. You can't take me. Wait. Sky soon put out your blood clot and buy some things. Wait, no? You know when you Sky? Don't worry.
Right. Them to say, because all when you're born out a door of your yard, you still have to go to one doctor place.
I'm going to look at me done, girl.
Black River Hospital, that's where my son born.
Yeah, that's where the hospital name.
Oh, so Black River Hospital, St. Elizabeth. So baby, well, mama. Somebody says Shay that the nurse don't live at hospital. Hold on there. Down here somewhere. Deidre English Goose. Normally on the bird paper, the person down here say them say who them people are down here so. Guys, The last part of our bird paper. Wanna look on the last part on the bird paper. Sky fraudis. The last part of our bird paper with the giant up blue writing there. Someone wanna tell me wanna see the bottom part on the bird paper. The CEO? Yeah.
Endorse.
Right. Patricia P. Wholeness. Someone tell me the name down here, so. Why the name wanna have? Look on the bird paper.
Yeah, she said she named Peter Gay Amaya. Small. Chow, kiss me teeth.
At the time, with the government appoint.
Down at the bottom part, mine say Patricia P. Wholeness. Alright, Patricia P. Wholeness. Alright. Bumbo clad. So, oh, Deidre English Goose. Mama look pan Deidre then. Mama check out Deidre. Patricia P. Wholeness. Alright. Deidre. Ask the ear. Why the ear pan Patricia P. Wholeness? Why ear on the app the issue date up here so?
No, it's the Philemon of Deidre.
Who said for them one of Deidre?
Yeah.
I know where we say, look, it's fake and it is fake, it's fake, it's fake.
That lady be alright, hold on. Come here, go check out the ear of the lady, you know. Deidre English Goose. I want to know that woman her age.
On the add me on Instagram and send in all of the file them everything. See the
DJ
Instagram and
English
Destiny
Goose.
pretty. Let's get here, guys. I'm gonna send in everything there.
Baby, you do it. The English Goose. CEO.
You have urine?
Alright. DJ English Goose step down from RGD. From, let me see, Mrs. English Goose told her news, whatever. Asked her to resign.
Everything to me.
Blah, blah, blah.
That is the Instagram, guys. Send everything.
Blah,
Come on,
blah,
guys.
blah.
That is the Instagram. I'm gonna follow me, Penny.
Blah. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. DJ English Goose. Yeah. Must be from when she retire. Blah, blah, blah.
Guys, you know follow the Instagram. Come on, post guys naked video over there. When she sell pussy. I post it on TickTok go ban me. So follow the Instagram and post it over there. You,
Alright.
You never see video?
You see, so place of birth.
Follow the Instagram. See it there.
You see, so date of birth was said December 1999 at the 15th, this, you know. I don't know if you can see it. At the 15th of December, this 1999. Skyborn December. The 15th of December, this 1999.
No, September.
Yeah, September the war born, yeah, true. The 15th of December, 15 December, yeah, 1999.
I'm not sure they use.
Look on line 24. Normally, this is the day we register. She registered June the 19th, 2006.
That's 99.
Bumbleclat.
Not alone.
This fake your fuck.
Them they have it. Them they are the
Yes, so long.
come up with something quick. And not even so long. Them just they have to come up with something quick.
The font too big. You see the Peter Gay, the name too big. Mama might not take, you know do good. Sky not do good. Bumbleclat. Sky not do good.
Non screen if you type that one more time you're gone. Tired of you with the fuckery. All you depend. You're either manager RGD fuckery. And you can't say if it's fake or if it's blood clot real. You're over your type. You work RGD, you're either this, either that. We don't come off and go on, man. You know from when you type the same foolishness? I know you don't type. You ain't real, you ain't fake. You over here say where you work. Who give a fuck?
Where you work, you know, sister, one fake bird paper this.
All of we work RGD. All of we are the manager. RGD, you know, see. If somebody can come make up something, that and Shay can come find out the whole of we blood clot work there. You know, see, all of we are work on it. So all of we are the manager RGD. I know you alone. All of us. You must not say I work where I work on the bird paper. So the whole of we work there. And we are the manager. Come with your blood clot self.
Follow me on Instagram. Me I put out Sky naked picture and just sell fuck. That me say. You ask me who. Dirty pussy Sky, I'm thinking long bars Ringo. Why they me I put up? See the Instagram, the Destiny _ pretty. On my page, yeah, that page there. Dirty long bars Ringo.
Videos like these are going viral on social media.
Copy and paste.
But
A female the panel.
Use the animal
you're telling me 7 years after me born, my mother go register me?
7 years after my born, my mother register me to RGD.
All in your careless. No mother. First thing first. For go to school, you're going to need it. 7 years.
So she not go to school for 7 years? No school, no see her?
Where the baby part where you go there? When you
Want to basic school.
Basic school. Where that part there where you for go? Before you go in a grade 1. Where that part there? Where all of them years did they? 7 years after? So them start what? Them start at grade 2 because you have some 7-year-old grade 2.
A PDF.
6-year-old grade 2 or so. So you are telling me?
Yes, can I edit?
Start at grade 2? Yeah, man.
I know can I edit. Alright.
Like they no plan for done.
Google Lens.
Dan can't cross me, tell Dan go cussing rotten teeth them.
Grade 2 then start grade 2.
Anybody have Google Lens or wait one name?
Never hear that yet, still laughing.
Google, alright, wait.
Of course you have to register before you come out. So I don't know what them say. We'll go have baby and register. 7 years after? Never hear that yet. We have to go looking at the Guinness book because I must in that right. Because that's not possible. all when you grow up in our homes, you have one birth paper, they go register you because you have to go to school. When they in our homes, you start now.
I copy and paste them, copy and paste this. I be a copy and paste
No
going there,
time
so.
to go
But them now no
this,
time,
that.
right.
People, Sky,
Remember Sky don't see no she do it, you know. Everything Sky
know that.
and feel.
These people don't know. I hear Sky try find somebody who can forge document. I hear. If you didn't know her, you don't know.
That's why I know say a woman copy a woman them IDs and the things them so. Cause the ID of paper we she have. And then like you know like it a form and tick, you know, tick and form. So she know she a blood clot though.
This a birth can stay.
Listen now, I don't care about that. I don't care about the place of birth or whatever. The amount of fault depend blood clot is. The amount of fault depend this. It done
Place
for.
of birth is irrelevant at this point.
The amount of fault depend this so-called birth paper, yeah. Me don't need nothing more. I be a fault. Be a fault.
Too much things now though. Who can see it? We can help you know.
Right.
That's that. When you just have to go draw on your own and make up on your own conclusion on your own make up. Simple as that. Because all if you stay right there so and stay 1 week and show on the birth paper, some people are going to go see say a fuckery and some people are going to see say perfect. So you see the one that might see it perfect, on a screenshot it and go dissect it on yourself. Can help you. Because I just love when people stress out themselves and that now have a thing for the way we right now. Because it's not like say if we spend 1 week so long, you still have to believe. Remember, I don't want people to convince you. I say anytime people have to convince you about something, I lie them I tell. So I'm not convinced a soul about nothing. The minute I have to convince you, I lie, you're going to make up and tell you.
Who no want to see just don't want to see it a feeling problem
Exactly.
that. No look upon them.
Who see the people them who have common sense will know say a fuckery.
Go make up a
It's
next story and
altered.
come back.
Just go make up another story and come back again. The people them who use capital sense them gonna have one bag of question. Everything will depend this altered something, I go depend for them want to because apparently it's long alter for them want to. Can't matter.
Dana cuss her mother.
Dan can't cause Shay.
Dan can't cuss me.
All we government can't cause Shay. Dan cannot stand up in her bed, so Dan cannot cause Shay. And at the head of the janitorial department, so she cannot cause Shay. Dan clean for her living. Clean the hospital if she work at one hospital. You never see Dan do nothing yet? You don't ever see Dan do nothing yet more than go and work at DJ? You don't ever see Dan do nothing more than put on bad scrub then go DJ? Dan can blood clot cause Shay. Dan in a Shay position and shoes can walk it. Shay now on different class than Dan. When you see Dan, all Dan do a go map and sing a blood clot work. When you see Dan do nothing work, when you talk the truth, when you ever sit Dan. For somebody will say them a nurse or them a whatever, when she wear the scrub, them you think say she all people who clean the hospital wear scrub, but you never know. What's the thing say? All done do a blood clot clean the place. The doctors in the hospital and make song about people. That's all she blood clot do. Clean and DJ. She go and work go clean and blood clot DJ. With her all week them we can use and map the hospital ground. Dan where we are be a rose on me see her in her from head to toe in the midriff them. I never see her in a one sitting where look good. I never see her talk something where make sense yet. Her head ever lean one side like that is a handicap. Look on her over there if I want perfect handicap on the see. She ever lean one side like she had a hearing. Dan probably I'll walk and tip to blood clot and you know say she short or something. We don't have time for Dan. I check with blood clot down till Fairson case done. I will circle back with she. So she have to go circle with. We want her to go and run her from home because you see when we go come at down, she have to go DJ and top DJ, she have to go bust before everybody else. Wait here we want him. We don't wait. We are come back. You see all with government done, we will come back for you. Now don't worry yourself, midriff. Don't worry yourself, Mr. DJ. From the turntable, that's all you go to work go do. Go on like you have turntable and dance your kid. And sweep and map. That's all you go to work go blood clot do. We never yet see you look after one patient. All you do, in the room, the janitor room, a DJ, a daytime, and go home. Move your dirty blood clot. Take a Shay in one class by yourself. You're absent right through. Move. You can't call Shay and tell her say. Where you go to her and tell her say? You don't know about Shay for cause her? Oh fuck out to man. Where you pussy up on the light, the lighthouse tap up there so? Where you pussy run on the line, the train line them? Where you really go cause her say? Our pussy big, suck it down to the size where you want it. Simple. Where you go tell her say? Our pussy a drain, I want it leak out in your blood clot mouth and straighten your teeth. Where you go tell her say? I want it clean the back of your blood clot throat. I wouldn't mind a pussy juice can go down in your blood clot throat and just clean around at the back where the tonsil stone them the way make your mouth stink like shit dirty down. But see I hate the old woman, you see? I hate the old fuck. What you really going to tell her, say, apart from she's tall and beautiful and sexy, what are you going to tell her? What else is there to tell her? Inan? What else did you tell her? Because she not fuck like you. She have pussy principle where you don't have. What you really going to tell her, say? She not wear no old wig. She not wear no midriff, no rosa. What you really going to tell Shay, say? She don't come at the pan turntable when she go to work and I sweep and map on the pan turntable every single blood clot day. Where else you going to tell her, say? When she cook, she have a kitchen where she cooking her. She can't stay up on her belly and turn her plantain on the stove. Where else you go blood clot tell her, say? Where you going to tell her, say? What is there for tell her? Say she suck pussy. I whole heap of body you lick out. Remember we have your file. I whole heap of cheese you suck off a cock. What you go tell her say? Remember say you come in like say, you know the Parmesan cheese we come on the top of the pizza whatever them sprinkle the pizza with us so you suck off the cheese you cut them. So what you go tell her say? What you really go tell her say? Remember your deep throat cocky from your 10. What you go tell her say? The amount of threesome you're doing in your life, you suck pussy too. Where you really have to tell her say that, and where you can cuss her and tell her say. So she now want a better position than you, and you wish you did look so. You wish you never hold and fuck out. You wish you could have what? You wish you could have look like her? You wish you could have be her? What you really go tell her say? You wish you could have full of talents and can rock her? What? The people them love you. Remember nobody don't like you? You don't see why your friend blind bar blood clot Temu over there so. Where you don't know, blind bar Temu we send the whole on to go buy prom dress and tuxedo and I know the prom can't keep. Blind bar Temu so she say, ever see her yet? No, me never yet see her. And she say one come show her. Where you are going to tell her say? Because your friend them everything wrong with you know. Liar here don't come she ever in a 90. You ever depend on turn blood clot table and clean. When you go to work, turn table and sing song. Where you go tell her say? Vetting have no foot. Where you go tell her say? Who else? Buck him when him you see me and suck pussy through the phone. Who else? She said she raped, she did, she that. She give it to Shay, we're not going to touch K, because God forbid, my condolence to you, K. Your mother just a turning off your grave when she see who you go pick up as your friends. Poor woman, all your sister are disown you. Where you really going to tell her, say, who else over there on the retarded list? Because Dan, you're retarded, you know. Me don't know if you're not looking at it. You're not, no, me run down at the basement. Where you can see, say, boy, you know, so me look fucking retarded. I don't know where I go and sit down in this one bed with this silver behind me. You know, so me just look fucking retarded, sit down right there, so with my head lean. And you know, they are school of hope. I uncle the school of hope, in them, me see their head lean, so. And a school of hope, you there, your head ever blood clot lean and tilt. Oh, fuck. Shit. You can't straighten up. I remember down underneath ground you there. So you can't blood clot straighten up. And that you go drive for because she can stand up in her house as tall as she be. Where you go cuss her and tell her, say? Come here, wait for you, no, Dan. As when I say, no, I never think for say about nobody business, you know. But when you touch Shay, then you're not going to hear my mouth. Me don't know where you're over there so far, fly up like best dress fall. Remember, say, I chuck up on you, we're not ready for your good yet. Remember, say, we're not ready for Lego, we're more good on you yet, Dan. So you can go and have your fun. With the handicap crew way over there, so. You want to pussy the pan light out, stop. All dog refuse, you know. Who want to know? No one. Now she if your husband, I wait till she did forget for her handicap money. What else? Your mother now stop upstairs and stamp on your dirty blood clot and say, come out of my blood clot house. Come out. Come out. Come out. Your mother now stop stamp on your dirty blood clot from upstairs down. Eh? Where you go? Nobody now stamp on we?
I mean stamp on people.
How we stamp on people?
Cause I live at 18 floor, I live at the last part. So nobody now stamp on me. I live at the last part, I'm done.
You sleep. You don't say time ain't done, you not get to sleep, you know. And when your mother have the regular plate them up there, she up there feel cool and nice, and you all in the pan. Boy, me don't want to pay no rent, you know, so I just have to just take with me and get right there, so. You can't blood clot do your own. Anything where the mama do, you have to take it. Big fuck out woman like you and you live with your mama. The woman tired of you. She not stop stamp up there for you come out. Since you can't take a hint, let me tell you what the woman I tell you say. The woman I say, come out from underneath me. You're a big woman now. And that the woman a blood clot tell you. All fuck. You come like them fuck the way. You know them fuck the way you put on. And the person thinks that them put on a good work and you don't come on now. Them fuck they you coming like that. Some fuck when you're ready. They fuck them when you don't come none at all. Them fuck they you look like and coming like.
Well, somebody send me.
Sure.
Somebody send me something with what is in a Dan.
But I come for Shay, Dan.
Hey, Dan floppy whole house with wallpaper. Hold on, I show you some screenshot.
Nobody.
Dan want argue with girl. Come from under your attic. Or your basement or where you want to call under this so.
You can't come for Shay. Shay can go anywhere she want to go. Move around, walk around, this, that, anything what she want.
I can do whatever the fuck I want to do.